Your Excellency, Thwakadam, as one of your mega projects, is in fact a world site. I was there recently when we were doing some inspections, and I think you should come. Before they complete it, you will see bridges they have constructed across, while children used to swim across the river at the risk of being eaten by crocodiles. The Chinese have done 2 bridges. But more importantly, Your Excellency, some of these projects like the Thwake Dam and Konza City, the Konza City dream, Your Excellency, the sort of things that they have done in Konza are not even existing in East and Central Africa. They're not there. If you recall, Your Excellency, and this I must mention as I finish, when you came to Mtito in 2015, and Governor Ngilu was a cabinet secretary in charge of lands, you gave her permission to print 75,000 titles. You cannot believe how you have changed the lives of just very ordinary people.